Hello, welcome back. Today, we're going to look and see what happens when we have a categorical variable. Whenever we get a categorical variable, what we have to do is we have to figure out what we do with it. The first thing I would do is I would put it into a two-way table or a one-way table if we just have one variable. And then we'll want to fill in marginal data. That's a word we'll learn in today's lesson. Then we'll look at these things called conditional distributions. Then we would graph it, either the data or the conditional distributions, and then we just summarize what we see. This video is going to concentrate and talk about the first two parts of this. So uh, this is a study. Uh, the manufacturer was of a certain type of cracker was trying to add some dietary fiber to it, and so they would feel less hungry. But then they started to note that overweight females were getting pretty bloated from this. And so they took some data on what type of crackers they were eating and how bloated they were. And this was the data. So this is the raw data. Whenever you make raw data, what you do is, now we take this data for the type. So this is all bran. And we see how many people had low bloating with bran, and then we put them in a table, and then there's one medium, and the rest have no bloating. So if you look at bran, there's nobody's in high, 4 in low, 1's in medium, and 7 have no bloating with just bran. And then you can go to combo and control and do the same thing, and you create this two-way table. Now marginal distributions are these numbers in the margins. They're not actually the data pieces. It's not, this isn't here. Uh, we take these data pieces here and we add them up to create marginal distributions. So now here's a data set on color and gender, on what color somebody would like out of a choice of 3 colors. And so I want you guys to make a two-way table and fill in the marginal distributions.